Now let's talk about Offset. Offset shuts down Dr. Cheyenne Bryant's claim about him sliding in her DMs. The rumors about Dr. Cheyenne Bryant come as Offset and Cardi B continue the lengthy process of getting a divorce. Dr. Cheyenne Bryant recently claimed during an interview on the Jason Lee Show that Offset slid into her DMs. Offset came in my DMs, we're talking. He's not my man, Bryant remarked. When the Neighborhood Talk shared a clip of the claim on Instagram, the Migos rapper issued a response in the comments section. Clout SMH, he simply wrote. He also shared a screenshot of their messages in which he only asked to have a professional conversation. Offset is making his stance clear and he's not holding anything back. Stay tuned for more drama.
Who are you dating right now to have a kid?
Offset came in my DMs.
Are you embarrassed about
We're
this?
talking. He's not my man.
So why can't a man be kept?
He can, not by me, but he can.
Let's